So today I will tell you how to acquire analog signal using NI DAQ. So for that purpose I directly go to NI DAQ Max. I lock it here. This is my LabVIEW 2015 version. So I create a channel. Then I have to start the task. Then I have to stop the task. And I have to clear the task. And to acquire the signal, I have to read the signal. And in this case, I have to analog read. So over here, I have to select channel. For that, I am creating a constant, and in this I have to select using which channel I have to acquire the signal. Right now I am using AI 0. So I am selecting AI 0. You have to connect your task and error. This is your task and this is your error. Then for continuous read, I have to place a while loop over the read signal like this. Shift registers are created for this. Then over this I create a control, and this is my data. So in the front panel I am just taking a meter which shows me the output, and I directly connect this. And for continuous read I am placing a delay function also, and in this I put 100 milliseconds. Okay, and I am also taking a boolean button because on the hardware side I am using a IR sensor which can detect a object. So I know that the output of the IR sensor is greater than 3 volt. So for in the comparison over here in numeric, here is the comparison and this is the greater. I directly connect this boolean to this greater, and the output, and this output is greater than 2.5, it will glow. Our object is detected. Okay, so for error handling I just take a simple error handler also, and this is my VI to get the analog data. So on the hardware side, as you see, this is my DAQ, and this is my 5 volt for this IR sensor, and over here I connect differentially analog input. In that case the 0 negative and ground of analog input is directly connected, and this is my ground wire, and this is my input signal from the IR sensor. As I place my hand over this, as you see the light glow. So this is working, and this working we can also show using DAQ, using lab view. So when I hit on run button, and as you see, object detected, again object detected. So this is the program for IR sensor or for a analog data, because the output of this IR sensor is digital and analog both, because it will create a signal when object is detected, and the output of this is around 3.6 volt or 3.3 volt nearly. So this is the program for analog input detection using my DAQ. In this case, I am using IR sensor as a analog input source. So thank you.